Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about more stylish and gorgeous collection of most demanding crochet cotton design. Different designs, different ideas, different color combination contrasts for you. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy in the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of woman crochet cotton design. Woman can easily ready if you know how to ready crochet cotton designs. You can decorate your room, your windows, your lounge with the crochet cotton design, matching bedsheet designs, pillow cover designs, cushion cover designs, sofa cover designs, mat designs, and many more. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me please. Share my video with your relatives, with your sweet friends, and also give the feedback in the hammer section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of crochet cotton design? So please friends, don't forget to like me, share me, comment me, subscribe me. Thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.